Alright, YouTube. Man, let me get my hand out of the camera. Back with a small little vlog on a good old box. We have a guest appearance today.
Mom.
Say what's up.
What's up?
Chevy all day.
Chevy all day.
Yes, sir. So, I'm about to get this windshield fixed. Or whatnot. Or what's not. Really, no really progress, to be honest, but the trunk finally got these little carpet pieces. Oh, got these little carpet pieces. Carpet up in that junk. Finna put this piece in. Yeah, it's another day in Chevy life. Beer game. Got all the seats in this thing finally. Oh yeah, I got my seats back in there. Waiting on this dude to come install this dang windshield, get it cleaned up, exhaust shop. What's up?
What's up? What's up?
It's my big boy. Yeah.
I'm a big boy.
Alright, get out the way.
Alright, get out.
Yeah, that's about it, y'all. Getting dirty. Hey, leave that compressor alone, please.
It's tangled. How I can charge it?
Anyways, we gotta get the extension cord from upstairs. You got crackers all in the seats. I gotta figure one more thing out. Tighten this. I gotta tighten this seat up. It's loose. Look at this push button though. It works great. I ain't hitting nothing yet. I ain't putting. Hold on, Papa, stay right there. Push that. Start right on up. Hey. Oh, it's okay. All right, I'm out to YouTube.